Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log in into Bank of America Mastercard. When you own a business, you don't always have time to visit the bank. With Bank of America's online banking, you can view your checkings and saving accounts, see past statements, and use the bill pay feature. You can view personal and business account using a single login with the online system. Now to get started, firstly launch your preferred web browser on a PC. Now on the URL, search for bankofamerica.com and press enter on a keyboard. Once you search for it, you will be landed to the home page of Bank of America, which looks like this. Now on the Bank of America home page, you should find a login area which is located at the top left of your screen. Now in the login area, you will need to provide your user ID and the password of your account. Now if you've forgotten either your user ID or password, you can recover them by tapping on forget ID/password link. Now once you're done with typing in your credentials correctly, tap on login button to get logged into your Bank of America account. Once you successfully log in, you should be redirected to your Bank of America account dashboard. From there, you should be able to access your Bank of America Mastercard information, including account balance, transactions, and other account details. Now, that was the quick and easy video on how you can get logged into your Bank of America Mastercard. Now, if you liked and found this video useful, then don't forget to subscribe, share, and give this video a big thumbs up. I will be back with more videos like this. Keep watching.